Que es hoy?
What the hell does that mean? Que es hoy lunes? Is that right?
Sí.
Que es hoy lunes, right?
No.
What?
No, Joey.
But does it mean? Say it again.
What is hoy?
No.
Today.
Lunes.
Sí. Hoy es lunes.
Hoy es lunes.
Hoy es lunes.
Hoy es lunes. Hoy es lunes.
¿Qué es mañana?
Something starting with an M.
Last
You know
time
how hard it is to learn?
Last time you said Martinez.
Honey, I'm trying to drive on the Puerto Rican roadways and learn Spanish at the same time.
Okay.
I should get like
¿Qué es mañana?
an award for this shit. What? Martinez. Something like that.
Martes.
Martez?
So you say mañana. Mañana
Mañana
es martes.
es martes.
Do you watch Friends? I'm just kidding.
Come on, man.
Farmacia.
Walgreens.
Ooh, en una hora. In 1
1
hour.
Una
Oh, very nice.
hora. Walgreens.
Muy bien.
Walgreens. Say it in Spanish with me. Walgreens.
I always say that. Okay.
What?
¿Qué es hoy? So answer in like a complete sentence. So if I ask you what is today, you would
Lunes.
say today is.
Lunes.
See, okay. That's
Lunes.
But answer it in a complete sentence.
What? That's
Dude.
more words.
Because you're learning.
No shit.
You're learning.
Lunes.
So
One word.
hoy es lunes.
Hoy es lunes.
Ah,
Which means
today is
is
Monday.
Monday.
¿Qué es mañana? Mañana.
Mañana.
Min.
Mañana.
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 M. Word.
Martes.
Martes. I keep wanting to say Martinez. I think I went to high school. What?
Learning Spanish.
Martes?
Word.
Martes.
Martes.
Martes? Martes. What? What Martes?
How do you say Wednesday?
Wednesday? What? Wednesday?
¿Cómo se dice Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Miércoles. Miércoles.
Miércoles. Isn't there a store right here?
That's Wednesday. Miércoles.
Miro.
Miércoles.
Miracoles.
Mir.
Mir.
I think. Like, I can't slow it down. Miércoles.
Miércoles. Right?
It's always a little off what I say.
Because you say it fast. Tranquilo.
I do not say it fast.
Tranquilo.
Miércoles.
It sounds like miracle. Holy shit.
Oh gosh, here we go. And the light is green.
I know.
Okay.
Hopefully this guy doesn't come plow me out.
Learning Spanish with Corey.
Come on.
It's always
Don't
funny.
try.